Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the tag color on Asana. If you're familiar with Asana, you already know how helpful it can be in organizing projects and tasks, especially when you're juggling things like product launches, order fulfillment, marketing campaigns, or customer support. Changing the color of your tags can significantly enhance the visual management of your projects by making important information easier to spot. It's a small tweak that can bring a lot of clarity and aid in differentiating tasks at a glance. So let's dive right into it. First, you want to head over to your Asana project where you've already created some tags. This could be a Shopify-related workflow, like content creation, inventory tracking, or app setup. Find the specific tag for which you want to change the color, such as urgent, awaiting approval, or in progress. Once you've located it, click on that tag. This action will open up the tags list of associated tasks so you can see everything connected to it. This overview is not only a handy way to see where your tag is being used across different tasks and projects, but it also puts you in a perfect place to manage it better. For example, you can quickly identify bottlenecks or high-priority items tied to that tag. Next, look for the caret icon located next to the tag title. This small but mighty icon is your gateway to additional options that will allow you to customize your tag and fine-tune how it works for your workflow. Once you click on this caret icon, a drop-down menu will appear. Take a moment to explore the menu, as it offers various actions you can take with your tag, such as editing or managing it more efficiently. For our purpose, zero in on the option labeled Set Color. This is where the magic happens and where you can start making your project visually easier to scan. Clicking on Set Color will reveal a palette of colors that you can choose from. Here's a little tip. Think about how you want to categorize your tags before selecting a color. Perhaps choose a color scheme that represents the priority of tasks, like red for urgent issues or green for completed work, or a particular theme within the project, such as blue for marketing tasks and purple for development-related items. Selecting the right color not only makes your list aesthetically pleasing, but also promotes quicker navigation when you're reviewing tasks during a busy workday. When you're ready, simply click on the color of your choice. If you're wondering which color works best, sometimes opting for brighter colors can ensure that tags stand out more prominently, especially when you're scanning long task lists. And that's it. You've successfully changed the color of your tag. This change will be reflected instantaneously across your tasks, making it easier for you and your team to visualize the workflow more effectively and stay aligned on priorities without extra explanations. Repeat these steps for any other tags that might need a fresh splash of color, especially as your projects grow or your processes evolve. Remember, organizing your tasks visually can greatly enhance your productivity and efficiency while managing projects, whether you're running a solo Shopify store or working with a team. Thanks for watching, and I hope this little customization tip helps you in your Asana journey. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy and helpful tutorials to make your project management smoother than ever.